Hello, my dear student. How are you, beta? I hope you all will be fine. So today I am here because giving the some notification for you related to the practical examination of science. So which kinds and how you can prepare the science practical, as well as and how many numbers of the practicals you can write on the practical notes. These are the questions we have. So without any wait, let's look and take a rough notes with pen and write the all questions or experiment aim, which you can write on the practical examination book or practical science book. So please write. Now come on the, yes, this is the Civil practical science class 9th. So you can also buy Civil practical series of science class 9th, and come, please turn your page and come on the page number, no page number it is not here. So you can open this kinds of the pages are there where you can tick in the black pen, and as well as you have not buy yet, so you can write on the rough notes. Okay, so here given the content in practical science examination book, so where the three sections are there: physics, chemistry and biology. So first section we have in the physics, so two practicals from in the physics sections. So you can write, or you have already in the practical examination book, practical book of science, so you can tick, and you have no any practical science notes, so you can write with rough in rough notes with pen. Okay, so right here you can write the first question or first M or practical 1.2, where you can write the and doing the experiment of the to determine the boiling point of water. So what I am saying, and what is the M or what is the questions we have or objectives, you can write to determine the boiling point of water. Please, this is the first experiment which are belong from the section number first in physics. Okay, and second you can write, and third number you can write third number or second experiment, and in the basis of practical science notes, third number or third content you have in the section of physics, uh, it's that to verify the law of reflection of sound. What is the second practical you have, beta? The law, yeah, to verify the law of reflection of sound. Okay, so you can write in the physics section. Now we come on the section number 2, where we have discussion or we have doing the practical. Two practicals are there from the section number 2 or chemistry. So you can write the first question or first experiment 1.1, the test the presence of starch in potato. What is the experiment or objective, beta? To test the presence of starch in a potato. So it is this experiment to belong to the section number 2 or chemistry. And now you can write the second objective in the chemistry section or chemistry portion, 4.2 in this book. 4.2 you can come now and write to carry out the burning of magnesium ribbon. Please write to carry out the burning of magnesium ribbon in air and classify it as physical or chemical changes. Okay, one time more: to carry out the burning of magnesium ribbon in air and classify it as physical and chemical changes. I hope you have all students write both section number A or section number B, physics or chemistry portion or practical examination objectives. Now we would come on the section number 3rd, where we have discussion or take the objective from the biology section. Okay, so you can write in the biology section, two questions are there. Come on the biology section or section number 3, 2.2. What, beta? 2.2, and write to identify stripped unstripped or smooth and chordic muscles, unstripped or smooth and chordic muscles fiber and nerve cell in animal prepared slide and to draw their labeled diagram. One time more, please listen carefully. To identify stripped and unstripped or smooth or chordic muscles fiber and nerve cell in animal from prepared slide and draw the labeled diagram of each. Okay, now second question we have to observe and draw diagram of given specimen. कुछ स्पेसिमेन दिए गए हैं, उनको ऑब्जर्व करनी है और डायग्राम बनानी है. नाउ वेयर वी हैव अर्थवॉर्म, कॉकरोच, bonifaces, word for each specimen record and one specific feature of its phylum and one adaptation feature of its reference and its habitat. So in the last question I can repeat one time more. To observe and draw diagram of given specimens like the earthworm, cockroach, bonifaces, word for each specimen record and one species feature of its phylum, one adaptation feature with its reference and its habitat. So these are your practical objectives or practical aim. So you can submit still the date of 5 January 2021. So and you can also submit the first week after complete the first week of New Year's of January. So you can write and prepare both or these questions on your practical science notes. Okay, so these are given here and these objectives are given here and you can write on the blanket portion, one practical 1 or exercise number 1, practical 2 and exercise number 2, these kinds of the things. Okay, I hope you understood well. Thank you.